What is a candle filter?
First, let's break it down. First, let's talk about what a filter is. A filter is a device that achieves solid-liquid separation. Let's talk about what candle form is again. The candle type is the filter element of this filter, installed inside the equipment, like hanging candles.
What is the working process of a candle filter?
When the feed passes through the filter element, a layer of filter cake is formed on the filter element. When the filter cake reaches a certain thickness, reduce filtration efficiency, then blow the filter element back. Make the filter cake fall off. Clean and use again, and start a new round of filtering.
What are the applications of candle filters?
When the filter cake is raised, after filtration, the cake is back blown off. Then, the residue is discharged through the bottom of the filter. When the value of the filter cake is high, for instance, the filter cake serves as a catalyst in the reactor. After filtration, roll the filter cake back. We use up the catalyst to reduce energy consumption and save costs.